today's video, we will fix the alert stuck on activating, alert not starting. So here is how you can easily fix. Step 1 is to refresh and recreate the alert. Activation may fail due to a sync issue. So delete the stuck alert if you created and now create a new alert. Okay, by simple changing the value and other things. And now simple create. After that, the next step is you can simple check your internet connection. Poor connection prevent the activation. So you can simple switch between your Wi-Fi and the mobile hotspot and make sure that which one is faster and connect with them. Okay. The step 3 is you can simple log out and log back in. Sometimes a simple log out can resolve many software related problems. So you can simple go back to your account settings. Now click on sign out and then re-sign in again. The next step is you can simple close the browser and then reopen it again. Means you can simple close the TradingView panel. Then after you can close the browser and now again open that TradingView. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.